So you accidentally deleted your funnel. You are panicked, right? And you want to recover it. Okay, so in this video I will help you that, and I will make you understand is it possible or not. But before that, just welcome to the Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and boost your productivity. So if that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link, the live bootcamp access, and some exclusive bonuses. So let's get back to the video. Now let's say I deleted this one, so it's test 2. Let's delete this. Okay, so deleting. Okay, you can see our test 2, this funnel is deleted. This is not here. If I go in the recent, you can see there is not that. What you can do now, if you want to recover that, there is not any option to trash or recover option or any icon, so it's not possible from this page. The only one way you can do, so if you click on this need help, then you can join a Zoom call with the support team, and if you delete this recently, then they might be recovered that. So that's the only way you can do after deleting a funnel. And you can see in the GoHighLevel, a few people were actually able to recover that from the support team, and some people was not. So this is not a 100% confirmed way to recover that. Just you have to be little more aware to deleting the funnel, and I hope GoHighLevel will make sure to introduce a new feature in it to recover the funnel after deleting. So that's it basically. You will not be able after deleting a funnel to recover that. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.